Welcome back to the shop, everybody. We got the wife's 2018 Outback. Going to change this rear wiper blade today. First, just pull the arm up. It's going to self-park with the spring. Bend it backwards until you feel it unsnap. Then you can pull it forward and off the arm. So you're going to note that you've got, these couple little dimples right here. That's the lock that sits inside of this groove. And then you have a flat edge on the front of this bar here, and it has to tilt to go into the arm. So we've got our new blade. Just bevel it forward like this. Get it into that channel. If it doesn't go right in, just wiggle it back and forth until that flat edge hits. You'll see that. And then just pull it backwards, locks into place. And that's all there is to it. Why make a video like this? Because I get a lot of customers and people asking me how to do it and which blades do I recommend. I would get a Trico Exact Fit 14B or a Napa Exact Fit. Why? Because they're the ones that just seem to fit every time I order them. Not like a Duralast, no offense. I always have problems with those. So hope this helps. See you later.